Dear students, good morning, namaste. We are in probability, that is the fourth part exercise problems we are solving. That is already solved in the third part, six problems, five problems completed. In the sixth problem, one problem is completed. Now I am going to start and solve the problems 2 and 3, 7 up to 11. Okay, now? Yeah. A coin is tossed three times. That is heading. A coin is tossed three times. Where, second problem, the E is the event that at least two heads. F is the event that at most two heads appear. Okay. Observe. Sixth one. N of S, that means three coins tossed. When the three coins are tossed, then the second problem, N of S is in the three coins, three heads appear. Two heads, one tail, that is the three ways. Two heads, one tail. First two heads, tail. First head, tail, head. Tail, head. Similarly, one head, two tails. And all tails. This is 8 tails. Okay, now? Yeah, you know it right. Now, let E be the event that is at least two heads. That means N of E. What is N of E? N of E means at least two heads, maybe three heads also. Maybe three heads. At least means three heads or two heads, not one head or no head. So three heads, two heads. The two heads are of three types: head, tail, head, tail, tail, head. These are three types. Here it is three heads back. Two heads back only. So it is four times. And F is, what is F? At most, it is at most two heads. It is at most two heads. Where given? That is N of F. N of F is equal to at most two heads means student. 0 heads, 1 head, 2 heads. At most we have 2 heads, not 3 heads. So 0 heads means all are tail. 1 head, 2 tails. These are of 3 types. Okay, now 1 head in the 3 cases, 1 head appears, tails, but order is different. 2 heads. It is also 2 types, 3 types. Okay, now? No head, 1 head, 2 heads. Okay, now? At most 2 heads, that is the event. It is 7 ways. Okay, now? 7 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ways. Now, is there any intersection of F intersection, E intersection F? Is there any? Yeah. This part, 2 heads here also, 2 heads are there. So, the intersection part is H, tail, tail, H. So, it is 3 ways. Okay, now? Triple T is not in the E. One head is not in E. Two heads appearing in both cases are there. Now, P of E given that F. We are asked this question. P of E given that F. It is mentioned in before the term. P of E given that F means it is P of E intersection F by P of F. Okay, na? P of E given that F means it is 3 na? 3 by N of S is 8 by P of F is P of F. Where is P of F? Oh, this one. It is 7 by total is 8. So 8 it cancels, we get 3 by 7. Okay. Like that we have to find the condition property of E given that F has already appeared. That is the sixth problem. So the last third one you have to solve with your own effort. It is a homework, and 10th one also homework. Okay, na? Yeah. Now we go to seventh problem. Two coins are tossed once. Where is the event that the tail appears on one coin? F is an event one coin shows head. Tail appears on one coin. F is one coin shows head. Both are same meaning, but it is related with the tail and that is related with the head. But the question is, two coins are tossed. Only two coins. Okay, two coins are tossed. Two coins tossed. That is N of S, total number of events. N of S means total number of events. When the two coins are tossed means head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Only two coins. Two heads, or one head, one tail, or tail, head, or both tails. Two heads, one head, zero heads. Okay, na? No issue. That means we take two coins, 1 rupee and 2 rupees coin. On 1 rupee and 2 rupee coins, two head. Head is down, but here tail is down. But here on 1 rupee coin head, tail is on 2 rupees. Here 1 rupee containing the tail and 2 rupees head. Like that, the order will be changed. Here it is 4. Now E is the event. What is the E? E is a tail appears on one coin. Tail appears on one coin. You read it. I will simply write it. Then N of E. What is N of E? The number of favorable cases for the event E. Tail appears on one coin. On which coin? On one coin. Only one coin. That is head to tail or tail head. Only two ways. Tail appears on one coin. Only one coin. Similarly, what is F? F is the event that one coin shows head. Any one coin. One coin shows head means same. Head to tail, tail head. Okay, Nana? You see the head to tail head. One coin is, both are same. Here both are same. Then of E intersection F. Both are there. It is head to tail, head. It is also true. So P of E given that F. We are asked P of E given that F. What is P of E given that F? That is P of E intersection F by P of F. That means N of E intersection F by N of S by N of F by N of S. N of S is common. N of E intersection of is 2 by. Intersection is all are same. N of E intersection of is 2. But here 2. N of F is 2. So problem is 1. It is a certain problem. Okay, like that. Some problems are like that. Then the second one. What is second one? E. The event E is no tail appears. F is no head appears. You see, you know the reference is the same. Head, tail, head, no head. That is all 2 or T only. That means tail. You see here, E is the no tail appears. N of E. Directly I am taking the N of E. N of E is the event that no tail. No tail means here tails are there. 2 tails, 1 tail. No tail means all are heads. Okay, that is one. N of F. F is no head appears. No head appears means here 2 heads, 1 head, no head. So it is TT. Last one. N of E intersection F. Here intersection F is 0. Is it again? It is 5. That means no intersection part, 0. So P of E given that F is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. That is N of E intersection F by N of S by N of F by N of S. N of S cancels. N of E intersection F is 0 now. Or otherwise, we may write P of 5 is 0 also. N of F is 1. So 0 by 1 is 0. Again, that is the probability. The seventh problem is different. One is the second probability. Here it is no probability, 0. Eighth one. A die is thrown 3 times. E is here die, not coin. A die is thrown 3 times. E is the event that 4 appears on the third toss. F 6 and 5 on the first 2 tosses. First 2 throws. Okay, now like that. You read the problem. I will come back. Okay, now just wait. Okay, 8th one. A die is thrown 3 times. Die rolled 3 times. First time, second time, third time. Then N of S is equal 3 times. 3 times means it is very difficult. 1, 1, 1 like that. 1, 1, 1. Okay now. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 3. Like that. 1, 1, 6. Like this, the last one is 6, 6, 6. Okay, now, how much is 6 cubed? 216. It's a very difficult one. Okay, now, there are lots of 216 events are there. 3 dice are thrown 3 times. That means not 3 dice, but you may take 3 dice in order to understand it well. Easy understanding. We may take 3 dice thrown 1 time, or a die is taken and be rolled 3 times. First time, second time, third time. But the number of total events is the same. 6 cube. 6 is for one time die shows the total number of events is 6. But here we are using 3 times. 3 power 6. That is 6 into 6 to 16. Okay, that is okay. But here the number of total events is very difficult. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2. That is first 1, second throw 1, third throw 1. First 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 4. 1, 1, 5. 1, 1, 6. Okay, now like this last 6, 6, 6. Many events are there. Okay, now right. Here is the event that 4 appears on the third task. E. 4 appears. Okay, now it appears on the third task on the throw task. Then what is n of e? N of e as the 4 is common, is seen. The first throw gap, the second throw gap. You take like this. Fourth, third is 4 must be there. 4 appears on the third task. So in the first we may take 6 times. 1 takes place or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 ways. The fourth here also. The second throw, on that second throw we may get phase number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is also 6 ways. The 4 is only one way. We can so it is 36. Is it clear? Yeah. So n of e is written. F. You see, F is an event that containing 6 and 5. The phase number 6 and 5 are the first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses. F is 6 and 5. 6 and 5 on the first 2 tosses. Okay, na? 2 tosses. So n of F. What is n of F? 6 and 5 are appearing on the first 2 tosses. That means it is the first task. It is the second task. In the first task, 6 fixed. Second, 5 is fixed. And the third is any number. It may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 also. The condition is F is the event that with the condition first 2 tosses must be 6 and 5. The third may be 5, maybe 6. It is a different one. But it must be, first the 2 tosses must be 6 and 5. Here, this is one way, this 5 is one way, 6 is one way, fixed. This is 6 ways. Okay, now? Or, here one more thing. In the first 5, in the second 6, and it is as it is. Okay, now? 6 and 5 means it is not order. 6 and 5, 5 and 6 are taking in the first 2 tasks, means 5 or 6, 6 to 5. 2 ways are there. So here also we may get to one way, it is one way, and this is as this. Like this, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. It is 6 ways. So it is also 6 ways. Okay, now? So 6, this is R meaning is there, 6 plus 6. So total is 6 plus 6 means 12 ways. Okay, now? Okay, now? Like this is 6 ways, like this is 6 ways. R meaning is 6 plus 6 is 12. So n of n is n of f is 12, whereas n of e is equal to 36. But here the problem is You see, finding n of E intersection F. Because we are asked to find from 6 to 9 questions, we are asked, the heading is finding P of E given that F. So E is known and we will find n of E, that is 36. F is known, find, we found n of X is good, call OK. Intersection part is there. What is intersection part? You see that? Intersection part. You say E is related with the 4 on the third. That is important. F is maybe 4 also. Maybe 4 also. That must be common intersection. In E, try to understand. E 4 is fixed on the third. Okay, Nana? You see that? In the third task, 4. Then the third task, the first 2 tasks are 6, 5 is okay. Third task maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Here 4 is there. Okay, na? So it's a common. That is intersection. So it is 5, 6, 4 is in the first task. Okay, na? But here 5, 6, this is important. 6, 5, 4. Will agree? This event, this favorable case is related with E as well as F also. Because F is 6 to 5 must cover in the first and second tasks. Yes, okay. That is the condition for F. And 4 is in third term. That is related with the E. Okay, na? Is there any other thing? If you take 5 here, will it come? It comes only in F, not in E. If you take 1 or 2 or 3, 4 or any other than 5 and 6, it is related with the E word. So we have only 2 ways. Now, P of E given that F is n of E given that F by n of F. P is there. The previous problem, P of by n of S. By n of S cancels. So it is 2 by, what is n of F? Is 12. So it is 1 by 6. A very good problem. Okay, Nana? Like that you have to solve the 9th and 10th. Yes, just pause.